If your MSP feels stuck, it's not your people, it's your processes. And that's exactly what we're going to fix at the Operations Summit. Most MSPs want to scale, but their operations aren't ready for growth. Tickets slip through the cracks, metrics don't match the data, your techs are frustrated, your clients are impatient, and you, the owner, are buried in the day-to-day. Sound familiar? And here's the truth. You don't have a people problem. You've got a process problem. It's costing you time, profit, and momentum. That is why CharTec created the Operations Summit. 3-day, company-level intensive designed to rebuild your operational foundation from the inside out. This isn't theory. It is hands-on implementation. You'll work directly with our service experts and other top MSP leaders. Actually fix what's holding your business back. Day 1, systems and structure. Audit and optimize your PSA and ticketing workflows for accountability and profitability. Day 2, people and performance. Redefine roles, structure incentives that drive results, and identify the leaders your business needs next. Day 3, metrics and momentum. Build an operational scoreboard and connect your financial and service data so you finally see what's really driving profit. By the end, you'll walk away with rebuilt systems, clear accountability, and a roadmap for sustained growth. Most events talk about theory. Operations Summit is different. It's built for implementation. You'll bring your leadership team, work on your own systems and data, and leave with real results that move the needle immediately. This is the only MSP operations workshop held inside a fully operating multi-million-dollar MSP. You're not just learning what works. You're learning from the team that's doing it every day. Broken processes cost more than you think in time, morale, and missed opportunity. It's time to stop patching problems and start rebuilding systems that scale. Seats are extremely limited, so if you're ready to align your tools, your people, and your profitability, reserve your company spot at the Operations Summit today. Your operations are the engine of your MSP. Let's make sure it's built to scale. Join us at the CharTec Operations Summit and fix what's slowing your business down for good.